Robert De Niro is making waves at 81. The Oscar-winning actor took a daring leap off a yacht while celebrating his birthday on August 17th, and he made it look effortless. His daughter...
Whoa! He's so crazy! Oh my God! Oh my God, are you alright? I'm okay. Oh, yeah.
His daughter,
Drina Niro, shared the exciting moment on Instagram, captioning the post, "Happy 81st birthday to my dad and #1 Rit or Die. Love you with all my heart." Bobbied forever in various interviews, the Godfather star has often expressed that being a dad is his favorite role of all. Robert De Niro is diving into his 81st year with style. The Oscar-winning actor took a thrilling leap off a yacht to celebrate his birthday on August 17th, effortlessly showing off his adventurous side. His daughter, Drina Niro, captured the moment and shared it on Instagram with the caption, "Happy 81st birthday to my dad and #1 Rit or Die. Love you with all my heart." Bobbied forever. Over the years, the Godfather star has consistently expressed that being a dad is his favorite role, as highlighted in various interviews. On January 25th, Robert De Niro became emotional discussing life with his girlfriend Tiffany Chen's 1-year-old daughter, Gia. In an interview with RP magazine, he expressed how wonderful it feels, saying, "Everything I'm consumed with or worried about just fades away when I look at her. It's truly wondrous." Despite his extensive parenting experience as a father of 7, Robert admits that parenting hasn't necessarily become easier over the years. In an October 2023 interview with The Guardian, he reflected, "It is what it is. It's okay. I mean, I don't handle the heavy lifting, but having a supportive partner definitely makes a difference." Robert De Niro acknowledges his role in supporting his girlfriend, Tiffany Chen, in caring for their 1-year-old daughter, Gia, while noting that she does most of the heavy lifting and they benefit from additional help. Robert is also a father to 6 other children, 56-year-old Dina and 47-year-old Raphael from his marriage to Diane Abbott, 28-year-old twin sons Aaron and Julian with ex-girlfriend Tukey Smith, 26-year-old son Elliot, and 12-year-old daughter Elder Rylan with ex-wife Grace Hightower.